Good morning to everyone. In today's video, we are going to see swapping of two numbers. So swapping of two numbers is nothing but interchanging of the variables. I mean the values assigned in the variables. So here I'm considering two int variables having a and one more variable it is b. The values I'm assigning here, it is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So now my output, I mean, my expected output is in the place of 2, in a variable, it should be 4. And in place of 4 in the b variable, it should be 2. That means the interchanging of variables should be happen. Interchanging of the variables should be happen. Okay. So first of all, we will see in two different methods. That is by using a buffer, how can directly we can swap, or by using your arithmetic operations, how you can do. Okay. So we just go for our C compiler. So this is my online C compiler. Here I just want to initialize two variables, int variables. So a equals to 2. So I'm continuing with same data type. I'm just directly giving the another variable. Okay. So I just want to exchange these two values. That means interchange these two values. So I just considered one more buffer, that is an C, one more buffer C, which is also a same data type. Same data type. Okay. So just consider. So now I'm assigning the value of A to C. I'm assigning the value of A to C. So C equals to A. C equals to A. That means after this statement, in the C variable, the value is equals to 2. Okay. So now A and C are both having same values. Now in A, I'm modifying the value. I'm assigning the value B to A. That means after the statement, in A, your value is overwritten by 4. Again, in the B, we are overwritten by C. That means it will be copied. So this will becomes 2. So that is my expected output. So I just print my output. Kindly understand, can't I know this simple printf statements. Kindly understand this should, as the person at output and we are going to write the codes. Okay, I just want to print the values of A and B here. So I'm going to run my code. Sorry, it is showing, that means I'm missing the semicolon. Okay, so previously it is 2 and 4, but right now it is 4 and 2. You assign the values, A equals to 2 previously, B equals to 4, but the person at the end don't know. So I'm just writing the code. One more statement here showing that before swapping the values will be this. Okay. I'll just print it in the next line. Okay. So previously it is 2 and right now it is 4. And one more technique I said, we can use the arithmetic operations. That means in the buffer, instead of storing these values, I'm storing the value of by addition. That means 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Okay. I'm just simultaneously modify the code because already you are familiar with this. Okay. So previously it is 2 and this is 4. So now I'm subtracting this buffer value. I'm subtracting this buffer value in the variable. So I'm storing a equals to your buffer value minus your storage value. So if I'm do that, I get the value of 4. If I'm doing here in the b variable, it will be 2. So this is also my expected output. Okay. So with this also we can run our code for swapping of two numbers. But right now I can do only for the 2 and 4 variable. That means 2 and 4 values. If someone is came and asked me to swap 100 and 200, I need to modify my code. So first, I just want to run this code for any values, So for that, I just want to ask the user, please enter your interested values. That's it. So here I'm just adding it 2 more statements. Kindly end every statement with semicolon. So percentage D, because you are taking the 2 values from the user, that's why we are using 2 percentages. So kindly observe, this is my initialization. This is an assigning right now. I mean, taking from the user, assigning, and here we are printing the statement in my output window. And this is my line, I mean, logic part. After that, I'm just printing my output again. Sorry. I need to separate these two things. I'm giving the values of 200 and 400. So it can kindly one more time, I'm just run the code for last. For example, if I give only one value and by mistake, if I press enter, it waits to take the another value. So you need to give the another value. Okay. So you directly given by giving a space, because I know it takes 2 values. So I directly space. Otherwise, you can give the enter and you can run. So that's it for swapping of 2 numbers. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.